Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, it's Faye. This video is sponsored by Halara, but everything I say is mine. This industry lacks the same options for curvy girls, plus size, mid-size, petite, tall, but not Halara. And that's why I said yes to this. Don't let this scare you or you're gonna miss out, especially my apple body, fupa loving, apron belly girls. You also get 20% off using Faye on all full price items. Everything I talk about will be linked to the description box below. Get your wallet ready because even I couldn't resist these skinifying clothing items. This is the first piece. And isn't it so cute? But also so sexy. So this has built-in padding, which means you can go braless. And I like that the padding is not too thick. I love these attached halter straps. It's like a sexy approach to something so casual. And then this huge banding right underneath the chesty besties to uphold them and plump them up. I got a size large and it fits perfectly. This banding is pretty thick and wide, so it just helps tighten your waist without like discomfort. And look at these thumb holes. It just helps your sleeves and cuffs stay in place so there's not a lot of shifting. This fabric is insane. I don't understand how this top could be so cinching, but it doesn't restrict your body and it doesn't dig into your side. I mean, this is made with a 4-way stretch, so there's durability, there's movement, there's flow. And look how long and thin my arms look in this. Usually I don't go for white because, you know, they say that black is a lot more slimming and white just kind of expands your body, but I feel great. Because of the ribbing, it's definitely slimming. Makes you look so tiny. Very impressive. Okay, next is Breezeful high-waisted skirt. It's perfect. So I did get this skirt in a size medium because I was being mindful about how short I am, and it still is so high-waisted on me. You do see a little bit of my figure from this slip, but for the most part it's hiding my apron belly, and that's all I can ask for. Definitely feels like a K-pop design because of the high-rise slit that comes all the way up to the banding, and then you have this buckle that you can adjust, highlighting your thighs. Never underestimate your thighs. A woman's thigh. It is powerful. Your thighs are sexy. No, honestly, the strapping adjustable is perfect, especially if you're gonna wear this being active, playing like pickleball, and you want to be able to like stretch your legs more. I love the mini skirt feel with the pleats. It's not too mini where it's too short. It's like right mid-thigh for me, so that's like perfect. And it has a side pocket. I swear girls be having a bad day and then they realize and remember that their skirt, quote unquote, has a pocket and their day gets like 10 times better. It's so comfy. It feels nice and snug on the body without sacrificing that comfort. Also, this color, this mauvey baby blue color, it's not too loud but still expressive for us who like a little spark. And usually Halara has striking color options, so it fits everybody's preference. Minimalistic people love just black and white, and they have that, but also if you're like a color girly, they also have color options. Really good length on me. I'm so happy with this length. Not too short, not too long, and even if it were short, you have protection underneath. Let's try these two pieces together. Perfect. First, let's talk about this U-neck backless crossover top. It looks like a very simple white tank, but then you have this beautiful crossover back here. I've been needing a simple white tank for an everyday grab. Not only does this plump my little chesty besties, but it's the perfect length for my short torso. And it just so happens to have a very sexy crossover backing. I've been kind of getting into these rounded U-shaped necklines. It's very soft to the eye, very minimalistic. And I'm starting to accept these wider straps. You guys know me, I love my thin spaghetti strap, but with the wider strap like this, it just feels secure, and it's ultra soft, comfortable. This is holding up lots of weight. I love it. I'm gonna live in this. Things you buy from Halara will not be see-through, and all fabrics ensure stretchability, comfort, softness, and they're durable for a long time, so this will last in your wardrobe for quite some years. Okay, this skirt is not just any skirt. It's a V-line skirt, and it has UPF 50+. That just means ultraviolet protection from sun rays, reducing exposure and penetration. So that's really good on a hot, humid day. It feels so sleek on my body. Of course, you have your shorts underneath, and then these two flaps that are actually rounded and like U-curve overlaps on the side. Backing is actually longer than the front, which I highly appreciate. Bend and snap, you know? This is comfort and coverage. Don't underestimate what this V-shaped waistline can do for you, especially for my apple body girls. We need that cinching. It's those minuscule detailing that makes the biggest difference. And oh, so slimming. It grabs my sides, airbrushes it. It's so nice. Timeless. They have pockets on both sides. My phone, my skirt, the infamous Halara dress. Look at this. So cute. I will say it's a little longer than what I would prefer. Look at this color. I have no idea what Halara puts in this moisture wicking buttery soft Softlyzero fabric. Apparently experts crafted this to optimize to your comfort with that 4-way stretch fabric. That's why it's so airy, weightless, and without losing the quality. It's so structured. There's like a whole bodysuit underneath that's so soft, and it's easy to get into because they actually made a slit. Sorry, my underwear. So I've been shopping at Halara for years now. They totally listened to our feedback. They created this slit from this bodysuit so it's easier to like slip on. You don't lose any of the shaping. So when you touch this, your senses go crazy because it's so velvety soft. I love this teardrop scoop back here. You don't have to worry about your straps falling and having to like adjust them because it loops. I adore how functional this is. It just makes sense. And because of this non-constricting bodysuit underneath, if you're an apple body shape girl like me, it flattens you out with the A-line drop. And then if you're a skinny mini, it's gonna carve out your curves for you. Delicious. Let's try these two. Dude, this is just too cute. These are high-waisted, straight-legged pants. Can't believe I fit a size medium in these pants without having a horrible camel toe. This color is so flattering and versatile. Empowering. You can do anything with these pants on. The color is perfect. It's not too loud and noisy. It's not too chaotic, but then you don't lose your power. You know what I mean? It's the fact that you can wear white sneaks with this or heels. It's such a trickster because there's no zipper on this. You literally just slide it up and down like that. It's stretchy. They look like dress pants. That's the part that's like mind-blowing. They're straight leg, but they're wide enough to give you shape to your body. And because it's designed with plicated tailoring, it just looks so professional. These went viral on TikTok. I understand now. They're the most comfy pants you'll ever have on. This is like the perfect length. Once I have shoes on, it is game over. It just elongates your figure. I love that there's like subtle pinching right at your belly. Like literally my belly's right here. And then it drops. Again, helping with that elongated stretch. Of course, you got pockets. Don't be silly. These belt holes as well. And the banding is actually stretchy, unlike actual dress pants where you could barely even breathe, which just makes it that much better and why you need these pants in your wardrobe. They're so perfect. I am obsessed with the shirt. I don't care what anyone says. It makes me feel so confident and I love it. It has a buckle. Cool, how fun. You can undo this. So think of this as a halter sports bra and then you have a cardigan on top and you just snap it in. Exactly that, girlfriend. This buckle strap that you kind of bring in also brings in that side jiggly. And then it has this open concept where you could still have like a shoulder peeking moment. And did you know your shoulders and collarbone is one of the most like attractive, sexy part of your body, as well as your thighs that I mentioned earlier? That feels so secure and it shapes and hides the side jigglies if you're not into that. I kind of really like that there's this open concept. You can still kind of see like the chesty besties out here doing their thing. I will say this top doesn't have as much structure only because it doesn't have that banding, but the sports bra area feels very nice and stable. It's just slimming. It makes me feel demure. I love halter looks. I think it's the most flattering on wider shoulders, but then also like super everyday and simple. I'm just obsessed that you can dress any Halara piece into an actual outfit. So think of it like this. You're paying the price for gym athleisure wear, but also casual wear. So you get 2 in 1 for the price of 1. I think that's pretty worth it. I mean, look at this top. Look at this outfit. I think this is definitely one of my favorites. Oh my god. I can't. This top is everything I want in a pink top. You see why I agreed to this partnership with Halara? The joy I'm feeling in these clothes. You cannot say they're not flattering. They're so worth it. I think it's very cute, but silently bold. There's a lot of confidence built into this top, and I love clothes like this because then that confidence transfers into your energy and your body and you just feel so good. It's soft like a cloud and it has a plush to it. And the design of this neckline is so yummy. So it has a little bit of this straight scoop across that kind of actually helps widen the chesty besties. With this cutout that kind of comes into a halter, it wraps around your neck and it actually helps your neck look a little bit longer from the front. Hold my head up high. I just think it's so stylish and it draws in your shoulders, so it kind of makes her look slimmer. These things. Obsessed with this banding per usual. It's not as thick, but it still has that coverage. Doesn't fail to making you feel good. Comfortable and affordable. Like you actually get high quality pieces for a fair price. So yes, it's affordable without sacrificing the quality. Look at this. Look how long my arms look. Look how slim they look. Nowadays, it's hard to find something soft, durable, breathable, something stretchy with this price. So I'm gonna keep raving about it. I'm gonna keep striding my stride because I believe in this. This is the viral top on TikTok. You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. It is so cute. You just have to be a little bit mindful about this little area if you're like subconscious about your jigglies back here, which I am, but like for the most part, I don't really care. So it's a crisscross at the back, as you can see, and then you tie up these two straps, make a cute little bow, and then there you go. I'm so happy I got my hands on one of these because it did go viral on TikTok and it was like hard to get. I am so obsessed with the thick halter strap that actually goes behind your back and starts crossing over on your body. It's so sexy with the tan. The strapping just helps highlight how like athletic your shoulders look, but also busted. And it's a little bit more cropped and fitted for my body shape. I seriously can appreciate that Halara makes athleisure wear without sacrificing that feminine, sexy energy because we are powerful. Their clothing doesn't dim your light. Like if anything, everything I've tried on, more energetic, positive, optimistic, it's confidence boosting. So the bodice area is sucking. It's holding me in, making me feel tiny without hurting, because you know some skinifying tops can hurt after a while, especially if you're sitting down and you just feel like it's digging into my skin or my rib cage. This just feels like a normal top while holding in all the jiggly puffs. It's really pushing out the good, holding in the bad. It's flexible. This cropped look, it just doesn't overconsume my body where I look chunky. The cut right at the neck, the halter look. I feel good in this top. I feel like it's skinifying. It's just the right formula. If you want to shop basics, just do it from Halara. Like if this top does not convince you, I don't know what else is gonna convince you. She's here to collect her check, honey. Leave the toxic in the past. She's here for her and her only. Call me a poet. I just love it so much. I didn't get to jump into this outfit, but look, it's such a cute overall, but it's just too long. I should have looked at the petite size. And there's pockets. I know that Halara carries plus size, petite size, short and tall, all the things. So I should have looked better. And that's what I'm saying, girls. It's the fact that they have a lot of options for different body shapes and sizes. They're serving all of us tonight. So these straps are adjustable. So let me see. Maybe I'll like bring it up higher. And it's so adorable that these are button straps. Okay, maybe this is too high. I thought it will help me with the length. You just don't lose the cuteness, do you? I'm obsessed with overalls like this because they're just such slip in and slip out kind of outfits without having to expedite your energy and effort into putting an outfit together. So many pockets. I mean, look at this one. Ooh, even one back here. So much storage. My iPhone could never. This overall has a textured look with the waffle fabric. I think the breadwinner here is breadwinner. So there's a pocket right in the center of your heart. And then right on the bottom, it has these organic pleats just falling out and dropping, and that's what's creating this loose fitting feel because it's right here in the stomach area. Like you don't have to worry about it configuring out your round tummy. I rest my case. I feel like I can't even find a favorite because I love all of them, but I will say all the tops, so good. So good. It's been a while feeling really good in my body, and this clothing haul is a testimony. I value that Halara values all shapes and sizes and gives everyone an option for the same item. Use my 20% off code FEI for all full price items. Until the next haul where we find and feel ourselves again. Love you!
Tell me what you do on a Sunday